In this video, I'll show you how to use take profit and stop loss orders in TradingView. The first thing we need to see is the trade panel. So top right hand corner, click trade. And then here you can connect your brokerage if you want and trade live through TradingView into your brokerage. Just find the brand, it's going to open the account and connect the API. If you don't know how to do that, I've got a video guide that shows that step by step down in the description. I'll also leave some deposit and trading bonus links to the exchanges I use down there. If you want to sign up with those, you can get some good bonuses. But in any case, I'll show you paper trading. This is where you can test out the features without having to connect to a brokerage. So I'm going to press connect, and that opens up the trade panel for us, as you can see here. Then we can enter orders and enter our take profit and stop loss orders as well. Once we have our trade panel open, we can just toggle on take profit and stop loss, either one or both. So let's say that we're buying some Bitcoin here. So our order will be on the buy side, and we're going to be using a market order just to get an order open. So I'm going to toggle on take profit and stop loss. And we're going to tell the system at which prices we want to execute these orders. So if I'm buying Bitcoin, the current price is around 71,000. So I'll be buying about here. Well, take profit is obviously when the price rises and I sell to take a profit. So that's going to be above the current price. So let's say 80,000 here, which I've put in. And a stop loss would be to stop losses to the downside. So let's say that I'm happy for the price to go to around 60,000. So I'll put that here. And these orders are connected to my buy order, so they should automatically be the same amount as my buy order. And that's going to be connected to my buy, so that if the price gets to 80, it will sell for a profit, and if the price gets to 60, it will sell for a loss. And so we're going to press buy here, and that should go through. Now, what you can see on the chart is that I have this order in blue. That is my live order, so I've actually bought the Bitcoin. I now have green, which is a sell order at this price, and this orange, which is the stop loss, a sell order at this price. And that will go in automatically for you. Something else that you can do is change the price of the take profit and stop loss, and you can just toggle that. So if I just drag, I can actually drag the price here, and that's going to change. I can press confirm. That changes the stop loss order to a lower price, as you can see. I can change it again by dragging it up. Just press confirm. That changes the price. Same for the take profit. If you want to drag this higher, you can do. Just confirm that. What you're doing here is editing the price of the take profit and stop loss orders, and that will be anything that you want on the chart. Because the take profit and stop loss orders are connected to my trade, my buy order in this case, if I get out of my position, it will also cancel any of the take profit and stop loss orders that I have. So let's say this one right here, I actually want to get out of the position right here, and it says close. I'm going to do that. And you will notice that because the stop loss is connected, that will cancel out as well. So I'm going to press close position, close here, and you'll notice the stop loss leaves. We don't want the stop loss to remain, because if it does, that's basically a sell order, where if the price does get there, we'd actually be selling and going short the asset, which we don't want to do. I have a full tutorial guide for TradingView down in the description if you need it. I'm James, it's Money's EG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.